Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are just trying to understand two strings are anagram or not. We already entered in day 13 and I hope and I believe that you have already seen day 1 to day 12 problem statements along with the solutions. If you have any doubt or any question, you may just try to reach out to me. You may share your problem statement or you may share your queries in comment box. Whenever I will free, I will definitely reach out to you and give you the solution for it. All right, team. So let's get started. Today we have already set the agenda. We just try to check whether the two strings are anagram or not. And for that, I would like to create a new class. And already we have created a project. I hope you are able to see 2025. In this project, we have created all the day-wise activities. You can see starting from day 1 to day 11, right? Already we have implemented all these activities. Now we are going to enter. I think we have been working with day 12 because I have not added here. Okay, I have not given here name as day 12. So I'm just trying to give here day 12 activity and in which we are trying to write problem statement which is based on anagram strings. So I would like to right click over our default project and I am creating a class. I believe you are paying attention to find out the correct solution for this problem. Okay, so we are just trying to give the related name here. Suppose I am giving the name of a class here as anagram strings. Always recommend that you have to give the related name only, team. And now we are trying to create a method here, public static void. We are just trying to give check whether strings are anagram or not. So I can give the related name here of a method check anagram strings, and I need to pass two parameters here. One parameter is for one string and second parameter we are trying to give for the second string. All right, and we should write our code by following an approach. First, we are trying to convert each and every string into character, or we can say to char array, and then after we'll try to traverse right from initial value to the end value. We are trying to add all the characters into list. Okay, so first we'll try to perform all the steps for string 1, then after we'll try to apply the same steps for string 2 and then we'll compare. If all the characters which is defined in the string 1 are similar to string 2, we can simply say that it is anagram. All right, so let's try to convert character into character array. So I can say convert string into character array. So I'm trying to say s1 dot to char array. You can see here it returns me character array. So we just try to implement like this. I store in character array, so I need to write here character c only, and it is showing me the specification, right? And same process I will apply for the string 2, but after a while I will do that. Now I would like to apply here. I will try to add all this element into list, so I need to create an array list here practically. So let me try to create a list. Okay, and in this list we'll try to add the each and every character, then we'll try to sort this character, okay, and display in the console. Then we'll try to repeat the process with string 2. Okay, so let me add here list, and we are going to create a generic object because we are applying here collection framework, right? So we should give here the type as character. Then I can say list equal new array list. You may say array list. Now you can give here character. Okay, and we are proceeding with the parenthesis. After a while we'll try to create another list. Okay, so first we are trying to give the name as list1 only. Now I'm trying to import the package. So if you are going to import the package from a specific list or any particular collection framework package, you may still try to press Ctrl Shift O. Once you press Ctrl Shift O, you can observe that the regarding package has been successfully imported. Right now, we are going to traverse right from each and every character will be practically added in the list one, and then after we'll try to sort them by using collections class. All right, so let me give here for each loop. I can say character C1 colon, I can say C only, and inside we are trying to say list one dot add. I'm just trying to add here what I need to add team C1 only. Right, you may not find out any kinds of an issue. And now it's time to shorting, or we can say short all the characters. I can say short all the characters. Okay, and we are using here collections dot. There is a method called short, by default is present. It will be working out with the parameter list only. So we are just trying to get the support from it, and giving here list one. And now we are trying to check the result in console. So I can say sysout. What I need to pass your team list one only, right? And let's try to call this method, as we have not added here string 2, but we are applying everything in string 1. We have converted string 1 into char array. Now we are trying to apply the same process for the next string, right? For the other string, I try to add the rotate lines here because I want to separate two results practically here. And now we are trying to convert this. I repeat the same steps. Okay, I copy and try to paste over here. Now you can see the code is not practically organized, right? So it is now not practically looking well. So what we need to do, we just need to make the code organized. So you should select the code which is not order organized or in order. You may press Ctrl I. All right, and now you can see here the code is being set as we have set the previous code. And now I would like to apply modification for a few code lines. Like I can say I'm giving here C1, and here I can say S2. Here I'm giving list 2, right? And I can give here C2. All right, and now we have done our job. Okay, and I would like to copy the line from here. Okay, and we are just trying to check the result correctly whether it is giving the expected output or not. Let's press Ctrl I, so it will be automatically organized. Now we are trying to set here 2, and we are trying to set here 2, right? We have to save our code. Let's try to call this method and check, are we getting the result perfectly in the console. Control space, we just have to call this method directly because we have made it static. So let me try to give here, suppose I'm giving here listen, and I'm giving here silent, right? You may observe that it is same or not. Let me try to convert them into lowercase. You may write the code for to convert them into lowercase, but I'm just trying to directly apply with the lowercase only. Now we are trying to check the result whether it is same, right? All the characters from defined in the first string are same in the second string or not. Okay, number of characters and the character which is defined in the first string should be same in the second string. It is the precondition to check whether the two strings are anagram or not. Let me try to run this code and check the output. And you can see it is not showing me the thing correctly because I have not applied the changes here. Where okay, I have given here C1 only, right? Let me make it C2. All right, now we are trying to run this, and as I have given here, I should give C2, right? And here I can say C2, right? And I can give here C. All right, I don't think, yes, it is showing me an error. What is the problem here? I should give here C2, and I believe that it should give here C only. Is C2 repeated anywhere? Oh, I don't think so. There is an issue with that. Let's see. As we have to give here C2. Okay, I have given here C2 instead. I can give here C only. And now the error is gone. Okay, let me save this and run and check. As it is showing me an error where and on which line we are getting this. Okay, let me try to make it C2. Okay, it's solving the same issue. Okay, here is the okay. I have not defined this, therefore okay, it's okay, but let me make it here as C3, right? And I would like to give you a C3, and now it's not giving any kinds of an issue. Okay, let's save and run this. And still we are getting the same problem here. What actually it is showing me C3, right? Okay, list 1 I have given. Instead I should give here list 2. Unfortunately, we have not applied modification in the code. Now it's working fine till. Okay, I hope you are able to understand that how it is working out. Now I try to save and run and check. You can see here all the characters are by default same and their length is also same. Let me try to demonstrate and experiment with a few other strings. Let me give here people, and I'm going to add here pupil, right? You may observe that the length of the first string and the second strings are not same, and the characters are also not same. You can see here 2p, there are 2p, but here eo, right? There is no other characters apply in the other string, so we may not say it is anagram. All right, let's try to save and check this. Now you can see here we are getting all the characters, but we are not getting the output that it is anagram or not. For that we have to apply the condition if list 1 dot equals list 2, then we can say it is anagram. If it is not, then we can write here else part, and we can simply type here sys out it is not anagram. All right, so we are expecting that it is not anagram, so we are getting the result in console in an accurate way. Let me try to add the dotted lines here, and we are trying to represent in console. I can simply paste it, and now we are going to run this, and you can see it is not anagram, right? We are able to get the result in console. It is not being same. Now I'm trying to match the characters here. Suppose I'm giving listen, right? And I'm giving here silent. So you may correct this. Okay, you may check this out whether it is same or not. It's working fine, right? It is anagram only. So I believe that you have got the clear idea about the representation of anagram string team. If you found any kinds of an issue, if you have any doubt or any question, you can just write your queries in comment box. Whenever I will get time, I will try to reach out to the queries and try to solve your issues. Thank you everyone, and happy weekend, and have a nice day. Thank you team.